Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Percepta's Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to export your project to a PDF in Microsoft Project Desktop App, perfect for sharing updates with anyone, even if they don't have Microsoft Project installed. So, why export to PDF? PDFs make it easy to share project information with stakeholders who don't use Microsoft Project, keep the layout and formatting looking clean and professional, access your project details offline, save a fixed snapshot of your project status, and print reports or Gantt charts without worrying about formatting issues. Let's walk through how to do it. First, click on the View tab. Select the view you'd like to export, for example, the Gantt chart view. Next, click File in the top left corner. Select Export from the sidebar. Then choose Create PDF/XPS document. Give your file a name, choose where to save it, and click Publish. And that's it! Your project is now exported as a polished, easy-to-share PDF, perfect for presentations, reports, or stakeholder reviews. Thanks for watching the final session of our Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. See you in the next video.